Well, Peter, at least I said his name right. His name was Way. Way. W-E-I. Way. Well, here we are. We got a Raypak pool heater with HP error code. Oh, it's not under there. Other corner?
Right here.
Oh, nice pool.
Oh, thank you.
Vinyl?
Yeah.
Okay. What's wrong with it?
So when you turn it on, it show HP, which according to the troubleshooting guy is the high pressure control.
Correct.
Yeah. So they said the first thing is try to jump the wire.
Oh, that sounds horrible. Yeah, you're effed.
Yeah, it said try to jump the cable and on the high pressure control and see if that works.
No,
and
your compressor's shot. All right, we have our high and low pressure hoses hooked up. Pressures are not even, but let's just see what it does. See the breaker that's off? Turn it on. Good. Okay. Looks like we also have a display issue as well. Let's wait for it to turn on.
Yeah, it takes a minute or two.
And then we'll see what these pressures do. But that compressor sounded pretty bad. Alright, but the compressor's not on.
No, it takes another couple minutes.
Yeah. Wow, look at that wobble, by the way. Wow. She is a wobbler. Let's see if we can show how. Look at that. That's how bad this thing's wobbling. Crazy. Alright, so right now we're waiting for the compressor to kick on. And if you can look at the motor shaking around in there, wobbling like crazy, chances are the fan motor blade is bent or damaged. Should probably not stand right there. There's the blade right next to the wiring right there. Waiting for this compressor to kick on. And it's like perfectly, like if it's short, like one of those blades fell off, I think it's gonna do some damage. We have to go on disability. Owners are exempt, by the way. Come on. You can also press in the contact. You know what? Take that cover off. Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall. Oh, she's a wobbler. She's a wobbler. You don't even put the screws on there. They're vibrating away. All right, you're gonna have to take off that little cover right there. That way we can push in the contactor. Wow, this thing's nothing's been replaced on this ever. That's the original capacitor, that's the original contactor, that's the original relay, and that's the original transformer. Now I wouldn't worry about saving them. This thing's getting junked. I just want to document the noise and pressures once you push in that contactor. Okay. Now, if you recall, when it first turned on before, we had it went right away. So. Make sure it's insulated. Yeah, make sure you're holding on the insulated part of the screwdriver and push that in. Wow. Okay, off. 795 on the high side. Wow. Yep. Yep. All right, so we're jumping down a lot. Breaker's off. I'm gonna take something metallic and bang on this TXV and see if my pressures. Again, this machine is almost shot, so it doesn't really matter. All right, let's see what happens. Pushing the contactor again. Off. Yeah, it's pretty immediate. Wow. All right, Peter. So we gave him 3 choices. Option number 1, replace it, which is our first recommendation, replace it with a brand new Hayward or Raypak pool heater. Option number 2, we have a used 1-year-old Hayward Heat Pro pool heater on the customer that we converted from electric to gas for their pool heating. And option number 3, we can make repairs which we don't recommend or guarantee or warranty, and that's a TXV and new filter dryer with new refrigerant. And let's see what he's going to decide. So post your comment on what you would do in the comment section down below. 800 PSI though. Damn! That's high pressure.